Reuters.
It was an emotional moment for China and possibly one of relief. After a controversial world tour, a flame taken from the main Olympic torch glowed from the roof of the world. A 5-strong team staged a relay just shy of Mount Everest's peak. Once at the summit, the team gave honorary salutations to both Tibet and Beijing. The crowning moment comes after much preparation and doubt. The climbing team, which included 22 Tibetans, have been on the mountain for over a week, preparing the route along the northeast ridge. They were holed up at their base camp, waiting for weather conditions to clear before setting out on their 6-hour final push to the summit. Their final celebratory conquest contrasts with the main torch relay. It's been hit by anti-Chinese protests as it journeyed across the world following riots and unrest in Tibetan areas of China. Organisers hope there'll be a peaceful reception when the Everest flame reunites with the main flame later in the relay. That's likely to be when the main torch passes through the Tibetan capital of Lhasa in mid-June. Carlile-Alkhouri, Reuters.